So to take this box away or to add it or to edit it, first obviously you need to log in, and then you can either edit in the front end by going edit live or the back end by edit page. I will show you both briefly. So the front end is nice because you can see what you're doing, but it's sometimes a little quirky. Don't click header or footer. Either of these will go to the same place. And you end up with this is a navigation, but if you hover over anything and click on it, it'll show up over there. So in this case, we have a module called Content Box, which is right here. And if you click that, you'd be able to edit it. You can also, you can highlight and change words here, but sometimes it gets a little weird when you do it that way. So this is where you would edit this particular content box. You can add more and make columns and such, but we're not doing that. Change the title, that's what it says right there. Go all the way down, and this is where you can change what it says. Now to keep the formatting, if you notice when you click in here, it says H heading 3, and here it says paragraph. If you want to keep that and not have to worry about resetting it, just don't delete the paragraphs, just type within it whatever you want it to say. Like if you just want to say today and the date or whatever, you could just highlight and take that away and it would stay all formatted. So that's where you edit that. And to take it away, so I'll just get it out of here. I'm gonna see, this is weird things happen when you start trying to edit in there. To take this whole box away, you can either do it here if you hover over it and maneuver over and click the trash can, or you can do it over here, but you want to make sure you got the right thing. But if you don't save, you're good. Same thing. Hover over and delete. Voila, it's gone. Everything is the way it was designed to be without it. And then to add it, you need to understand the construction of the page. So above it, you have a nested column. See, that's right here. And you want to click the plus button to add an element below the nested column. So a nested column means that there's 3 columns as one module inside of a column. So I would click here, and then I have saved it in the library called close notice, and voila, it's there. And then you can edit it. So it's saved with this wording, so then you would have to edit the words always. That's the front end. So let's just show you the back end really quick, because then you'll see how all of this looks sort of in boxes. I'm gonna go, well, if you were saving this, you would click save, but don't right now. And then I'm just gonna say just leave. And this is what the back end looks like. So the blue is a container, and I'm gonna close that container. This one called container. That one's the homepage big photo section. You can see the word content box and nested columns. That's how you know you're in the right place. And then again, you could just delete it here. And to add it, you would click here, library, close notice. And there it's back again. And to edit it, you would click there and you'll see the same thing you saw on the front end. So hopefully that makes sense. I'm happy to go over it in person if there's any confusion. Anyway, I'm not going to save this. I'm just going to go away and not save. everything's back the way it was, and I think that's all you need to know right now.